The watch face is the main interface of your smartwatch. It's the first thing you see when you glance at your smartwatch. And just like any other Galaxy watches, the Galaxy Watch 4 series also has its own patented watch face. However, not everyone likes it. Thankfully, Samsung makes it very easy for end users to change. In this video, we will show you how to change or customize the watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Just follow the steps portrayed in this video in case you need help in the process of creating a watch face that suits your style and preferences. To get started, get your Samsung smartphone that's paired with your Galaxy Watch and then launch the Galaxy Wearable app. If you haven't already, download and install the app on the Google Play Store. Just launch the Play Store app, search for Galaxy Wearable app, then follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the app on your phone. If you already have the Galaxy Wearable app installed, simply launch from the Apps tray or Samsung folder. Your Galaxy Watch 4 should appear on the app's main watch profile menu. To continue, tap Watch Faces to view all available watch faces for your smartwatch. You can choose any from the classic faces, graphical, informative, or downloaded categories. You can also get more faces via one-time purchase or free download. Just scroll down to the Get More Watch Faces section. Once you've found a watch face you like, simply tap on it to select it. You can customize the selected watch face through the Galaxy Wearable app. To do this, simply tap on the Customize button beneath the selected watch face and then use any of the available options and watch face attributes that you want to customize. Among the customizable watch face elements include pre-made, clock front, color, complication 1, complication 2, and so on. Don't forget to tap Save when you're finished making necessary changes to your Galaxy 4 watch face. The recent changes will immediately reflect and be applied to your Galaxy Watch. You then can see how it looks on your wrist. If you want to customize the watch face further, go to your Galaxy Watch, then tap and hold on the watch face for a few seconds and then tap on the Customize button. Doing so will bring up the watch face settings menu, where you can adjust the color, complications, and other settings. If you want even more control over your watch face, you can create your own custom watch face. To do this, go to the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. From here, you can choose from a range of watch face styles and customize them to your liking. You can change the background, add complications, and even add your own photos. And that's it for this tutorial on how to change or customize the watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on using your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Thanks for watching.